In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on Slack. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and head into the workspace where you want to share something. Choose a conversation, whether that's a channel or a direct message thread. Pick the place where your file needs to live so it reaches the right people. Before you upload, check who will be able to see it. Open the channel or conversation details and view the list of members. This quick glance helps prevent oversharing, especially if you're working with sensitive content or a mixed audience. When you're done, close the Details panel to return to the main view. Now, look for the plus or attach icon next to the message box and click it. You'll see options to bring in content. If you recently shared a document, check the Recent section to grab it quickly. If not, choose Upload from your computer, browse to the file you need, select it, and start the upload. For this walkthrough, we'll select a sample file, like people100.csv, to demonstrate how Slack handles a spreadsheet-style attachment. While the file is uploading, click inside the message box and type a brief note to provide context, what the file is, why you're sharing it, and if there's anything specific teammates should review. Clear context saves back and forth and helps colleagues act faster. If the timing isn't right to post immediately, you can schedule delivery. Click Schedule for later, and you'll see suggested times such as tomorrow at 9 o'clock a.m. You can click that to preview how scheduling works, and you can also choose a different preset like next Monday at 9 o'clock a.m. to explore your options. Scheduling is great for coordinating across time zones or avoiding after-hours pings. For this demo, though, let's send it right away by choosing Send Now, which posts your message and the file to the conversation. Once posted, Slack may show an inline preview. If you want a closer look, expand the file inline to see its contents. In this example, you might see a preview of 102 lines. When you're finished reviewing, collapse the preview to keep the thread tidy and avoid extra scrolling for others. Next, open the More Actions menu on the file. From here, you can copy a link to the file, which is handy if you need to reference the same document in another channel or share it in a separate thread without re-uploading. You can also save the file for later, which bookmarks it to your saved items so you can find it fast when you're on the go or switching tasks. If your workspace uses folders or a file management app integration, choose Add to Folder to keep things organized and make future retrieval easier. If the file is no longer needed or was posted by mistake, you can remove it. Click Delete File, review the confirmation, and then confirm with Yes, delete this file. Deletion may remove previews and access, so double-check that no one still needs it. Slack will show a confirmation in the conversation indicating the file was deleted, so everyone knows the attachment is no longer available. That's the full journey. Verify who can see your file, attach it from recent items or your computer, add clear context, schedule if needed, or send now. Use inline previews, take advantage of quick actions like link sharing and saving, organize with folders, and confidently clean up by deleting when appropriate. With these steps, you'll share files in Slack clearly, securely, and at the right time for your team.